Some people ask, are we nearly there yet? While others say, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. It's the people you meet and the memories you make along the way. Those people probably also say, good things come to those who wait. Whilst for others, they say, fortune favors the bold. So whether you're into long-haul marathons or short-haul sprints, if you're an early bird or a night owl, a fair-weather flyer or an all-terrain trawler, different people have different ways of moving through life. Maybe they're all right, because everybody is trying to get somewhere. So whatever drives you, whatever your purpose, you are not the only one. Find your way. Train Sim World 7.